My name is Mandy Chase, and this is my Organifi story. I spend most of my time teaching. I work at a school. I'm a pre-K teacher working with 4- and 5-year-olds. And when I'm not teaching, my boyfriend and I, we spend a lot of time outside. We spend a lot of time in the basement where we have a gym set up and we work on routines together. So my health goals when I started taking Organifi were be the best version of myself. I wanted to start getting healthier. I wanted to start feeling better, and once I started using Organifi and seeing how their products work, I started getting my family into using the products. I bought my dad some Organifi, and I'm really trying to pull them in a healthier direction and kind of follow suit because they can see how much I've changed and how happy I am now. Before trying this product, I was very unhealthy. I worked a lot in the fast food industries. I was a bartender and a waitress. You kind of just eat on the go. I had a lot of heart issues. I have atrial fibrillation and supraventricular tachycardia. I ended up having my gallbladder removed when I was 23. I was at pretty much an all-time low, and I just knew something needed to change in my life. So after starting to use Organifi on a daily basis, I have more energy to do things. I'm getting up in the morning ready to go to work. I'm coming home ready to work out. I'm not dragging my feet at night. I'm outside doing more. I'm out in the woods doing things. I'm with my family doing things. I'm not just coming home and sitting down on the couch and crashing for the evening. I love the green juice because it gives me the extra edge in the morning. It's supposed to boost your immune system. I love the taste of it, but the red juice has a really good sweet flavor to it, and it's supposed to be good for anti-aging, anti-inflammatory. It has a lot of good ingredients. So what I like to do is I like to take a half a scoop of the green and a half a scoop of the red, and I mix them, and it's actually really delicious. I listen to the Model Health Show with Sean Stevenson. He actually really talks about Organifi and how it changed his life, and his kids drink it, and it really got me interested because I've had some green juice in the past and they're really not that great tasting. And so I decided to give it a try, and upon trying the green juice, I fell in love with the product, how it made me feel, how it tasted, and I've just been experimenting with all the different flavors that I can. There's no offense about trying Organifi. I would recommend anyone to buy it. The product is delicious. It blends well, whether you're just drinking it straight or if you're mixing it in with a smoothie. It just adds a really good flavor to it. I'll be using these products for the rest of my life. They've changed my life for the better.